It's not the big things in life that get us upset. The little things bug us the most. But we don't learn how to deal properly with the little things. They'll end up turning into big things. God gives us His peace on the inside, but it's up to us to make use of that peace. Especially in the pressure points of life, we have to learn how to tap into God's supernatural peace. The way you do that is by choosing to keep a good attitude. You've got to choose to stay happy. Life is flying by. So don't waste another moment of your precious time being angry, unhappy, or worried. God bless everyone.